Here we have a 1986 C10 project that we're working on here at West Bend Dyno. We're in the process of mocking up a QA1 suspension. This kit comes with the cross member, rack and pinion steering, tie rod ends, upper and lower control arms. Comes with shocks, springs. What's great about this kit, it allows for up to an 8-inch drop. It comes with engine mounts for a small block, big block, LS or LT platform. This kit also allows up to 6 inches of back spacing if you're using an 18-inch wheel, or up to 7 inches of back spacing if you use a 20-inch wheel. Another really cool thing about this kit is it saves you up to 70 pounds of weight and also comes with an optional front sway bar. Coming over to the back side here, we chose the QA1 torque arm bolt-in suspension, also a complete bolt-in kit. This kit also offers a sway bar that we don't have in here yet. We just have this all mocked up. It comes with the option of single adjustable or the mod series shocks. It works with either a 9-inch Ford, 10-bolt Chevy rear end, GM rear end, or a 12-bolt. This QA1 torque arm suspension maximizes performance without inheriting the binding issues of other 4-link suspension. This kit also allows you 4 to 7 inches of drop in the rear to give you that corner carving ability. Upgrade your suspension at westbenddyno.com.